Amazing pictures of the planets of the solar system and their satellites. Let's dive into the world of outer space and take a detailed look at amazing images of some of the planets in our solar system and their satellites. The Moon and Mars in one photograph. This spectacular photograph was taken from Earth with a 340mm telescope. The Moon and Mars were in the same frame at the same time. At the time of the photograph, the Moon and Mars were in a planetary approach. The image shows the Moon's uneven surface, pockmarked with impact craters in detail. Mars is visible on the horizon, as is its polar ice cap, the North Pole on the red planet. The distance from Earth to the Moon is approximately 236,000 miles, and scientists have established the shortest distance from Earth to Mars at 34 million miles. Jupiter's clouds close-up. This is a close-up image of the gas giant Jupiter. The image was taken by the Juno spacecraft from an altitude of 3,814 miles above the planet's gas surface. November 29, 2021. In the center of the image, a giant bluish-white storm surrounded by thick clouds is clearly visible. This is one of the closest photographs of Jupiter, taken by the Juno spacecraft during its closest approach to the planet at an altitude of 2,621 miles from the surface. The image looks as if it were not a photograph of the planet, but one of the paintings of the famous Dutch artist Van Gogh. Pluto has not yet completed its orbit around the Sun since its discovery. Pluto was first discovered on February 18, 1930, by an American astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh. Since its discovery, Pluto has not yet completed its revolution around the Sun. Since one complete revolution of the celestial body takes 248 years. Today, Pluto is considered a dwarf planet in the solar system. Pluto was originally considered the ninth planet, but since 2006 it has been considered a dwarf planet and the largest object in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto's area is approximately 6,834,000 square miles. The average recorded temperature on its surface is minus 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Image of the Moon in record quality. An American astrophotographer named Andrew McCarthy has shown a record-breaking image of the Moon. To obtain such a detailed image, he had to combine more than 24,000 photographs of the Moon from his telescope with a lens diameter of 78.7 inches. As a result, the astrophotographer received a high-quality image of Earth's satellite with a resolution of 85 megapixels. The astrophotographer also stated that the colors visible in the image are real. They are determined by the different composition of the regolith. Lunar impact crater Aristarchus. Aristarchus is a lunar impact crater located on the northwestern side of the visible side of the Moon. The diameter of the crater is approximately 25 miles, and its depth is about 2 miles. Aristarchus stands out very well on the surface of the Moon. It is several times brighter than all other impact craters. With good eyesight, it can be seen even with the naked eye. On a well-visible moon at full moon, when observed with the naked eye, crater Aristarchus will look like a small bright. The name of this crater was given by Italian astronomer Giovanni Battista Riccioli in honor of ancient Greek astronomer Aristarchus of Samos, 310 to 230 BC, and approved by the International Astronomical Union in 1935. Saturn's satellite, Iapetus. The presented photo of Saturn's satellite was taken by the Cassini space probe on November 12, 2005. The photo shows a unique mountain range that encircles the satellite's equator in a ring. Its height reaches about 8 miles, its width is about 12 miles, and its length is approximately 808 miles. Because of this, The satellite's ridge resembles a walnut glued together from two identical halves. Scientists believe that this shape of the satellite could have formed during a period of decreased rotation speed. As a result, the rocks of Iapetus were compressed. Iapetus is the third largest moon of Saturn and the 24th most distant of its 83 known moons. This satellite was discovered by Italian astronomer Giovanni Domenico Cassini in 1671. The satellite is named after Titan Iapetus from ancient Greek mythology, son of Uranus, father of Prometheus and Atlas, and ancestor of mankind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel